Hi friends, good morning. Today's topic again is old classics in film songs. This is from Vijayanagarada Veeraputra, and the song is Apara Kirti Galisi Mereva Bhavya Nadidu. This was suggested by my colleague, and also thankful to him for suggesting this song. And this is about the Vijayanagara Empire. Description about Vijayanagara Empire. So details in translation in English I'll tell after the song. Now I'll sing the song. ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಗಳಿಸಿ ಮೆರವ ಭವ್ಯ ನಾಡಿದು ಕರ್ನಾಟವಿದುವೆ ನೃತ್ಯ ಶಿಲ್ಪಕಲೆಯ ಬೀಡಿದು. ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಗಳಿಸಿ ಮೆರವ ಭವ್ಯ ನಾಡಿದು ಕರ್ನಾಟವಿದುವೆ ನೃತ್ಯ ಶಿಲ್ಪಕಲೆಯ ಬೀಡಿದು. ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯೇ ಮಾತೆ ತುಂಗಭದ್ರೇ ಹರಿಯುತಿಹಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಮಾತೆ ತುಂಗಭದ್ರೇ ಹರಿಯುತಿಹಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಮಾನವನ ಪಾಪವನು ತೊಳೆವ ಕಲ್ಪವಲ್ಲಿ. ಮಾನವನ ಪಾಪವನು ತೊಳೆವ ಕಲ್ಪವಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಗಳಿಸಿ ಮೆರವ ಭವ್ಯ ನಾಡಿದು ಕರ್ನಾಟವಿದುವೆ ನೃತ್ಯ ಶಿಲ್ಪಕಲೆಯ ಬೀಡಿದು. ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯೇ ದೇವ ವಿರೂಪಾಕ್ಷ ಈವ ನಮಗೆ ರಕ್ಷಾ. ಜೀವಿಗೆ ತಾನೀಡುವನು ಧರ್ಮದ ದೀಕ್ಷಾ. ಜೀವಿಗೆ ತಾನೀಡುವನು ಧರ್ಮದ ದೀಕ್ಷಾ. ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಗಳಿಸಿ ಮೆರವ ಭವ್ಯ ನಾಡಿದು ಕರ್ನಾಟವಿದುವೆ ನೃತ್ಯ ಶಿಲ್ಪಕಲೆಯ ಬೀಡಿದು. ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯೇ ಕಡಿದು ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿದ್ದ ಗೊಂಡಾರಣ್ಯ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದನು ವಿಜಯನಗರ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ. ಹಕ್ಕ ಬುಕ್ಕರಾಳಿ ಭವ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ತಾಳಿ ದಿಕ್ಕು ದಿಕ್ಕು ಶಾಂತಿ ಸುಖದ ಕಹಳೆಯು ಕೇಳಿ. ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಗಳಿಸಿ ಮೆರವ ಭವ್ಯ ನಾಡಿದು ಕರ್ನಾಟವಿದುವೆ ನೃತ್ಯ ಶಿಲ್ಪಕಲೆಯ ಬೀಡಿದು. ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯೇ This song tells about the Vijayanagara Empire. So Karnataka is a state, or Vijayanagara is a state which has glory, which has a lot of glory. As we all know, Vijayanagara Empire is the most glorious empire in our history. So it has a lot of glory. It is very glorious. And in the next para they say Mate Tungabhadre Hariyutihelu illi. The river which flows in the kingdom, that is Tungabhadra river, is flowing in Vijayanagara Empire, and this Tungabhadra river will wash the sins of the people. So that is so powerful. And so this is about the river Tungabhadra, and the god of Vijayanagara Empire was Virupaksha. Virupaksha will give protection to us, and for human beings he will give the Diksha of Dharma. So then how the Vijayanagara Empire was established means there was a lot of thick forest. So it was chopped, all the trees were chopped, and then the kingdom was built. This was Hakka Bukka has also ruled this kingdom, but we know that the Vijayanagara Empire was ruled by Sri Krishna Devaraya. In all the directions, peace and happiness sound is heard in all the directions in this kingdom. That is what is it is this about the song. So in this song we can see the richness of Kannada literature, Kannada words, as it is very old song. Kahale and Eva Namage Raksha, Dharmada Diksha, Kalpavalli, all these words which is not in use nowadays is there. So if we read the old books or old songs, if we see the old songs, we can see the richness of Kannada literature. So this is my one of the favorite song. So thanks for watching this. And my old video got deleted, so I don't know, maybe this is my last video of in YouTube, as it is videos are getting deleted. Okay, thanks all for your encouragement. Maybe I'll not use YouTube, or I don't know. If it is allowed, I'll be very happy, as YouTube and Facebook all are very powerful tools to communicate with people, connecting people. So it is all very useful tools. But my videos one video got deleted, so I don't know. Okay, see you. So happy to see you again. Thank you.